two. Your voice is soft like a warm summer breeze. You're sweet like mornings after, ever after two. I could fly like a bird on the wings of the wind. I played in the sun with the joy deep within. I had laughter as a toy and a sweet point in a beautiful thing. Yes, you are an angel falling. Heaven only knows your mind on a big colliding. Someday there will be an angel voice true. Put your arms around me and hold me tight. I'm ready to collide. Baby, collide. Gary Paleka.
Yeah.
Director Kuna.
Hawaii Pogo by Kalakaua. You know that one?